Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Herby Spatchcock Chicken. I know it's a recipe, but it sounds like a character from a P.G. Wodehouse novel. As normal, a full list of ingredients, such as they are in the description box below. Cooking the chicken this way reduces the cooking time, which has always had a massive benefit for me. What benefit are you ask? Well, imagine the situation. You're in the pub, it's nearly last orders, and you want another pint. And your wife says, we've got roast chicken, we've got to get home and put it in the oven. But you can say, I'll spatchcock it and I'll save half hour, so we'll have another pint. Winner. Anyway, on with the cooking. To do this, first prepare the butter. Simply put the butter, chopped herbs, salt and pepper to taste, and lemon zest in a bowl and thoroughly mix in together. You could mix in some crushed garlic at this stage, but we decided not to this time. And when the butter's done, it's time to prepare the chicken. And to do this, use a sharp knife or kitchen shears, remove the backbone of the chicken. The hip joints can be a bit tricky, but persevere, you'll do it. When I showed my wife the playback of this video, she said I cut that chicken up like a professional. I said, that's nice. She said, yeah, professional florist. Come on, people watching this video are losing the will to live. But if you take your time and persevere, you should have something that looks like this. Then when the backbone is removed, put the chicken skin side up on a chopping board and using a rolling pin or such like, batter the chicken to a uniform thickness. If any fellow YouTubers are watching this, before you batter the chicken, remove your camera and tripod from the worktop. Then when the chicken is nice and flat, and if your camera has made it through the onslaught of vibrations, you should have something that looks like this. Then it's time to rub in the herby butter. This is quite messy, so get your wife to do it. It was at this state of the proceedings my wife decided to keep her hands clean by using disposable gloves. I said they wouldn't work, she said they would. How goes it with the gloves then, sweetheart? Is that the language of a princess, I ask you? Then when the skin side is down, turn the chicken over and do the same on the inside. At this point you can leave the chicken marinate for an hour or so, or until you get back from the pub. And when you do get back from the pub, it's time to place in the oven. And the oven for this is 180 to 190 degrees C for 45 to 50 minutes. The time spent in the oven depends on how big your chicken is, but you want an internal temperature of 75 degrees C minimum. And when that temperature is reached, you're done. You should really give this chicken a try sometime. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.